the Vice President is behaving as well as the former President's pronouncement, do you regret supporting the Dutertes?
Yes, I really regret.
Why, sir?
Hindi ko na maakalain na ganyan pala sila eh. Yung statements ni Vice President Sara, napaka-immature. Kulang na kulang sa statesmanship. At saka, hindi siya nag-aaral. Basta na lang siya nagsasalita ng kagaya doon sa healthcare issues. Hindi siya nag-aaral. Hindi niya chinecheck kung ano yung binibigay ng PhilHealth. Yung mga sinasabi niya iba, hindi siya nag-aaral. She is totally detached from reality.
Sir, last question from my end. Sir, is the devil's advocate lang po, no? Are you doing this because out of utang na loob because the President appointed you to a cabinet position?
No. Appointed me to the cabinet. Okay. Alam mo ba na mas malaki kinikita ko when I was in the